Guys, Actively Green meeting, 5 minutes, conference room. All right? Don't be late again.
Oh, yeah! Oh, no! I know I could be a little intense sometimes, but I'm worried about this whole climate change thing. What are you all doing? Eagle River Water and Sanitation District is trying to be more sustainable.
No, turn them on.
Well, now, look what you've done. I brought the candlesticks, you know? No energy usage.
I hate to rain on your parade, man, but the whole office has been upgraded to LED lights with motion sensors.
Oh.
Didn't you get that memo?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to have a conversation with him about the tissue thing.
Excuse me. Sorry about that.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, don't.
I mean, this isn't the first thing that's happened. He's been stealing everybody's lunches out of the refrigerator just so that he can take them and compost them. I mean, I know humans are percent water and percent shouldn't be that much of a difference, but it is.
I mean, he's trying to join the party planning committee.
Oh, yeah! If it's yellow, let it mellow.
I just don't want another waterless pool party like we had last year. Somebody really got hurt.
Oh, no waterfall!
Oh, waterfall.
Interesting. You guys really think of everything, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we better wrap this meeting up if we're going to get to Eagle. Let's start walking.
Whoa. I don't mean to open up the floodgates here, but what are you talking about? Why would we walk all the way to Eagle?
You're the one who said that we need to cut down on our carbon fuel emissions.
Yeah, we should do our part to reduce fuel usage. That's why we've been upgrading our fleet to have more electric and hybrid vehicles. Seriously, are you not reading the memos?
Well, congratulations to all of the finalists for the Actively Green Business of the Year award. Just like Eagle River Water and Sanitation District, you understand that being sustainable is not only good for the environment, but also for your business and organization.
I guess a few drops in a bucket can make a big splash.